Welcome to our channel Plot Science Tools. In this video, we will discuss about that how can we plot multiple lines by using the data file. In this, that is how can we create a graph in this Excel file. First of all, I will specify my data set that I have already import in this video. So first of all, I will give him to arrange my data, which is by the data frame, and my data name is basically varieties. So I have given the my data name to our data 1, and now you can see here that the data which I have already imported into this video is varieties, which is yield 1, yield 2, yield 3, yield 4, yield 5 and yield 6. These are the 10 varieties of which we will discuss about these yields, and we will show these yields on a graph of different varieties which are 10. So now we will move towards our code. That is now we will start from the plot function, and then we will use our data, which is data 1, and then we will use a sign of dollar for our data. So first of all, I will I think I need to explain here that the varieties which is used as a x bar, which is used to label as x bar, x label, and also then we need to discuss about the another variable of data dollar. That is I will specify here the yield 1, and yani means I can here I want to here a plot a line of the yield 1 on the varieties, and then we need to specify some main things like the type of line and color. So first of all, we will specify the type of line, which is L, and then the color of this line by using a color function, which I will specify here the red color, and then the main headings to specify the graph heading, which is the yield of varieties, and then we need to specify the x lab and y lab by using x lab function. X axis x lab function is basically used to specify the x axis, which is varieties, and y lab is used to specify the y axis, which is yield of these varieties. So this is all about the plot function, like the type that I have already given, color, main, x lab and y lab. Then we need to specify the line width, which is I will specify here 2. So now you can see here that the main things I have given in this code, and you can see here that the data is, you can see here the output, the line is drawn on the graph, which is red in color. So now you can add more lines by using the line function. So by using lines function, you can plot a second or third line. So first of all, we will specify here the x variable, which is yield 1 dollar varieties. Sorry, here not yield 1, basically here the data 1, which I have created a data set, data 1 dollar, and here we will specify that the varieties, which is the x variable, and then we need to specify the second variable, which is yield 2. Here I have already specified the yield 1, and now I need to specify here the yield 2 for creating another line, and then we need to specify here the type of the line by using the type function, which is L, and then the line width of this function of this code, that is basically 2. So after running this code, you can see here the output that the second line is drawn on this code, on this graph. So basically you can see here that the second line is drawn on this code, which is of black color. You can also need a given color name of this line, which is basically, I will give here the green color. And now you can see here the output that the line is of green color plotted. So you can see here that the green color line is plotted here. So after this, now you can create another line into this function by using the lines function, and I will paste it here. And now I will change here the variable name, which is of x variable, which is yield 3, and the color, which I will specify here the orange color. Now you can also add another line by using the line function, and I will again specify here the y variable, which is yield 4, and the color is basically here the pink. And you can also add another line by using the line function, and also we will specify here the y variable, which is the yield 5, and then the color of this line, which is basically brown. So you can basically, I have already a data of 6 yields, so I will draw the 6 lines and by using this lines function. Now I will give here another color, which is blue, to this line. So after running this code, you can see here that the output of this code, that you can see here that the multiple lines are drawn on this graph, green color, of brown, blue, and pink and red. So if you want to label these lines by that the green color is indicating what yields, and the brown color is indicating the what type of yield varieties, and the other lines as well. So you can need you need to create a legend function, which is basically used to specify the given the code. So basically here we will use a legend function, and now we will need to specify that the type of the, you can see here that the first of all we need to here write our x and y variables, which is null, and then the legend, and then fill with the color, and then already you can see here that I can give any type of color, which is black and other, and I also give here the border, and then line type, line width, and pitch angle, and also can be specifies. So here first of all we will discuss about the position of the legend, and that we want to put it here, which is already top left of the graph. Then we need to another function of legend, which is basically used to specify the line's name. So first of all our line name is yield 1, which is yield 1, and the second is yield 2, first is the yield 1, and the second one is yield 2. Here I will change it, and the third one is also yield 3, Fourth one is yield 4, and fifth one is yield 5, and the sixth one is yield 6. Now, first of all, I will specify that the yield 1, yield 2, yield 3, yield 4, yield 5, and yield 6 are given to this function. So, the next thing is to specify the color of these, which is basically so here we will specify the color by using a color function, which is basically that I have given to these lines. The first color is basically is red. Second one is green, and the third one is orange. Orange, and then pink. Pink color is also given to this line, and then is brown, and last one is blue. So these colors are given to these lines, and then we need to specify the line width by using the width function, which is basically 2. So after running this code, you can see the output here. The legend and the label of the graph is also given. So here you can see that the red line is the yield 1, green is the yield 2, and the brown line is basically, orange line is basically yield 3, and this pink line is yield 4, and this basically brown line, which is yield 5, and this is yield 6. Here you can see here the legend of this line is also given. So in this way you can create a multiple lines by using a CSV file or by importing a Excel file, and you can see here the output that I have generated in this video of the multiple lines. So I hope this video is very helpful for you. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos.